Hi everybody, I am Dr. S. Mohanavalli. Welcome to our channel BSc Mathematics Lectures. Before going to the video, press the subscription button and the bell symbol so that you can get notifications about all the videos of our channel. Now, let us go to the video. The topic of this video is how to apply the Northwest-Corner method to find the initial basic feasible solution to a given transportation problem. Let us take one problem for example. Find the initial basic feasible solution abbreviated as IBFS to the following transportation problem abbreviated as TP. Here is the problem given to us. These are the sources. Generally we denote this as SI. This is S1, this is S2, this is S3. Instead of writing S1, S2, S3, we simply write this as 1, 2, 3. These are the destinations. We generally denote this as DJ. Instead of writing D1, D2, D3, D4, we simply write these as 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the cost. These are the cost Cij. That is, Cij is the cost of transporting one unit of commodity from the source Si to the destination Dj. Suppose if we take this is denoted as C23. This is the cost of transporting one unit of commodity from S2 to D3. That is C23. These are the demands and these are the supplies. These are the demands or requirements for these destinations and these are the available supply from these sources. Now we have to find out the number of units transported from the source Si to destination Dj. That is, using this Northwest-Corner method, we have to find out a minimum cost plan for transporting a single homogeneous commodity from these sources to these destinations. Before going to apply Northwest-Corner method, we have to check whether the given problem is a balanced transportation problem. For that, we have to add all these supplies. That is 15 added to that 25, added to that 10, that is the total amount of supply is 50. In the same way, we have to add all the demand requirements, that is 5 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, that is also 50. Total demand is 50, total supply is 50. Then the given transportation problem is a balanced transportation problem. Now, we can apply the Northwest-Corner rule. Now, rewrite the table as here. These are the cost, these are the supply and these are the demand. Now, we have to choose the Northwest-Corner cell among these cost cells. Already we know the direction of map. This is north and this is east. So, the Northwest-Corner cell among these cells is this cell. So, here we make a box for allocation or allotment. Now, we have to check the demand and supply for this cell. This is the supply for this cell and this is the demand for this cell. We have to choose or allocate the minimum from these two, the demand amount and the supply amount. Minimum of 5 and 15 is 5. So, allocate 5 here and cross out this amount, cross out this amount. Here, 5 is the minimum amount. That's why I put dash here and here I subtract the allocated amount from this. 15 is here and the allocated amount is 5. I subtract this then I write it as 10. Now this becomes empty, then we have to cross out this column. Suppose this becomes empty, then we have to cross out this row. Now once again we have to find out the northwest corner cell among the remaining cells. These are the remaining cells. Now we have to find out the northwest corner cell. This is the northwest corner cell. Now we have to allocate in this. Here the demand is 15, the supply is 10, whichever is minimum. The amount 10 is minimum, so we have to put 10 here. Cross out this and cross out this. Which is minimum? 10 is minimum, it is here. So I put dash. Here already we are having 15. After subtracting this 10, I want to write this as 5. So now this becomes dash. Then we have to cross out this row. Now we have to find out the northwest corner cell among the remaining cells once again. So this is the northwest corner cell. Here 5, here 25. The demand for this cell is 5. The demand for this cell is, supply for this cell is 25. The minimum among 5 and 25 is 5. So I put 5 here and cross out this and cross out this. Because 5 is the minimum, I put dash here. Already we are having 25. After subtracting this allocated 5, then I write this as 20. As this becomes dash, I marked out, crossed out this column. Now we have to find out the northwest corner cell among the remaining cells. Here I made a box. Here the allocation is minimum of 15 and 20. The demand is 15, the supply is 20. Minimum among these two is 15. So I put here 15. Cross out this and cross out this. This is the minimum, 15 is the minimum. I put dash. Already we are having 20. After subtracting this allocated 15, I have to write this as 5. Now as this becomes dash, I have to cross out this column. The northwest corner cell among the remaining cells is this. So I made a box here. Minimum of 15 and 5 is 5. Cross out this and cross out this. This becomes empty and this becomes 15 minus 5, that is 10. As this becomes empty, I have to cross out this row. Now we are having only one cell. So I made a box here. Here also we are having 10. Here also we are having 10. So minimum among 10 and 10 is 10. So I made this as dash and this as dash. So cross out this cell. Cross out this cell. Now we have to check whether we have done a good job. All these demands and supply, all these room requirements should be empty. Here we are having okay. Then we have to check all the cells should be crossed out. Okay. Then we have to check the demand and supply. First we check the supply. 5 plus 10, that is 15. 5 plus 15 plus 5, that is 25. This is 10. Now we check the demand. 5, okay. 10 plus 5, 15. Is it right? Yes, of course. here 15, here 5 plus 10 is 15. Now we have to write the solution, initial basic feasible solution, the IBFSs. Now we have to write the initial basic feasible solution. X11 is 5, X12 is 10, X22 is 5, X23 is 15, X24 is 5 and X34 is 10. These are the allocations. Now we have to find out the total transportation cost, abbreviated as TTC, which is 5 into 10 plus 10 multiplied by 2, added to that 5 multiplied by 7 and 15 multiplied by 9, 5 multiplied by 20 and 10 multiplied by 18. After adding all these costs, after simplification, we get the total transportation cost is 520. If you like this video, press like and share this video to your friends. If you have any comments and doubts, write it in the comment box. If you like this subject, watch the other videos of our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.